Okay, you guys, so my biggest problems is, of course, acne. I have acne all along my chin area, all up under my chin area. I'm getting a pimple right here. But my second biggest concern is my black spots. Like, I have black spots everywhere, girl, everywhere. My third biggest problem, and this is like, even when sometimes my acne is super calm and I don't have that many breakouts, this problem is still there. And I have like little holes in my skin, but those are like blackheads, you know what I mean? So that in itself is annoying as hell. But I want to get rid of those three things. So that is my mission with this journey. And those are the three things that I will be looking for throughout this journey to become better. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Shirfit Johnson. If you're new, you already know the routine. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the alerts so you know when your girl is posting a video, okay? And for this video especially, you're gonna want to know when I'm uploading another one like this in this series that I'm going to make and hopefully share and hopefully stop by the end of the summer. And when I say stop, hopefully that means like my skin is like on point, on fleek, A1, A sauce. So follow me on Instagram at Shirfit Johnson. You can also follow me on Snapchat to get some of my daily life. And I'm also going to try to start vlogging. And to me, this is like not a YouTube video, like tutorial. This is more of like a vlog session. So by the title, you guys probably already know that I'm going to be using Differin gel. It's a 1-week update and also to basically let you guys know why I'm using Differin. I have on zero makeup right now and I only have my eyebrows on a link, okay? And usually I wear no makeup, like not even eyebrows, but for the sake of this video, I put on eyebrows so I don't be sitting over here looking like a naked mole rat. I usually do not wear makeup because even though I have acne, I am very comfortable in my skin. Like, I still believe that I'm beautiful. I still am very beautiful. But I don't want pimples and acne marks on my skin. Like, who wants that? Nobody wants that. So regardless of me being beautiful and loving myself, I still want clear skin. And I have not had like perfect clear skin and like probably since middle school, and right now I'm a senior in college this upcoming fall. So with that being said, like I'm in my 20s, like I'm 21 years old. I need my skin to get it together. Like, I'm no longer a teenager. It needs to behave. And so I have a whole skincare routine, like procedures that I've been going through, and some of the products that I've been using along with my Differin before I put that on is this St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Scrub and also this Neutrogena Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Cleanser. And these are just two things I picked up, not that they're special, but I'm just trying to see how they work with my skin. And it has salicylic acid in it, which is something that's potent for acne, and Neutrogena claims to even treat stubborn acne. So I've been trying this for a week along with the Differin gel. And then after I do the scrub and the cleanser, I go ahead and follow up with this toner that's from Neutrogena, and it's Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade Toner. So it fights the breakouts and it also fades acne marks, which I need both, obviously. And honestly, I put this on a cotton swab and I just rub it on my face, and then I put on my Differin gel. If you guys would like a morning routine clean face tutorial, I can totally give you one, so be looking out for that, my dear. Comment, like the video so I know that's what you want. That's what you want. And so this is the Differin gel. It costs about $11. It costs about $11. It's like 10 something. So $11. And Differin gel is the first FDA approved acne medication to go on the market. So it's the first one to be put out in the drugstores. Usually you have to go to a doctor, specialist, dermatologist in order to get things like Differin gel and other things to stop your acne. But this one is on the market, so I decided to try it. I've tried acne gels before, but I've never tried this Differin gel, so I'm pretty excited. And I've read a lot of reviews, and I've read a lot about Differin gel in general. The tube is pretty small, but you only need a little bit. So I use this every night. You're supposed to only use it one time a day. So I would either pick, you know, like morning or night, but I would definitely pick night. And then in the morning, just rinse your face off, do your normal face routine, and like take the product off your face. And this product is you're supposed to use and cover your entire face. It's not a spot treatment, and the different brand like says it constantly. It's not a spot treatment. Cover your face in a thin layer of this gel. And the thing about this gel that I hate but ultimately have to love is the fact that it brings out your pimples. Like, your pimples can sit in your skin for 6 to 8 weeks, and this gel is bringing all of that stuff out, which makes you break out more. So have you ever heard the term, it always gets better before it gets worse? Wait, no, it always gets worse before it gets better. So that's basically what this gel does. So I'm breaking out a lot, and the pimples that I have are big and pussy filled. And the way I just like to think of it is that I was gonna get these pimples anyway, maybe not all at the same time, but they were going to come. And a lot of the reviews said the Differin gel brings out your pimples, brings out your acne, and then in about 10 to 12 weeks you have like flawless clear skin. So I do not want pimples. I do not want huge pimples, no. But I am willing to sacrifice my face for 10 more weeks in order to see the results that I want. This is actually my face outside. Like, in the sunlight, you can see a bunch of acne marks, and you can also see upcoming and rising pimples, like as if they're stars. See if I can catch some more sunlight for you guys. Whew, that light right there, baby. Acne is caused by blockage in the sebaceous gland, and it can sit in your skin for 6 to 8 weeks before it actually rises. A lot of acne creams that are like prescribed by dermatologists, including this Differin gel, has Adapalene. Adapalene actually reduces the growth of the keratin on the skin surface that actually blocks your pores. And so the Differin Adapalene gel is good for any type of breakouts, whether that's blackheads, whiteheads, blemishes, clogged pores, and it basically restaurates your skin. Every product has side effects, but the basic ones for the Differin gel is dryness. Of course, every acne product does that. Redness, stinging, burning sensation on your face. So if that happens to you, just wean off of it. Like, try to use it every other day instead of every day until you can build up and use it every day. So try that. I have extremely oily skin, so this acne product does not dry my skin out whatsoever. Like, this that you see on my face is not makeup. Like, literally my skin is so oily that I'm always shining. It also says to be cautious if you're pregnant, to not even use it. So if you're pregnant, I don't know why, but just don't use it. Don't use it. So even though this product has so many precautions, there's nothing that I can't handle, and I still am going to continue on my journey to try this Differin product. I've been using it every night for a week, and I'm going to give you guys weekly updates. So again, hit that bell reminder and subscribe to my channel so you can see like the updates on my skin. the new acne that's arising from my face, because these big pimples I did not have. I usually get like smaller ones, but that's okay because this product is gonna have my skin lit. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next update. Hopefully you decide to take this journey with me and try the product. If you do, comment down below so you can tell me what week you're on, if you're starting, and if you're having any trouble or issues with the product, and I can try to answer your questions to the best of my abilities. So thank you guys again. Peace.